Guys, welcome unboxing the Volcano Modecom mechanical keyboard and the bloody a70. Let's get right into the video. So this is the bloody a70 and let's test this now. And this will be the mechanical RGB Modecom Volcano keyboard. Let's open it up. I got in the color white. I wasn't able to find color black, but I got it in white. I got it stuck. Keep this aside and let's see what did we get with it. We got a keycap puller or a switch puller, and this is the manual. I'm going to make this. Let's go with the juicy stuff. It looks so good. So this keyboard has brown switches. See, it has brown switches and they're not making that noise. It's like so buttery smooth. Let's put this back. Testing, voice test. So this will be my main setup for Bed Wars. And this is the bloody a70. Let's hear the clicks. Let's see if it can backlick that good. It hasn't been making that. It's a good mouse and many YouTubers use it. Yes. Okay guys, so we're going to test this mouse and keyboard in a game of Bed Wars. It does little bit and most probably just like Service lag. Bro, this server lags too much. Huh. I think it was, oh, it was, no, he's not dead, he's not dead, right? I have to cook same. Let's go. You have to kill Sam now. I don't want to die. See, if I'm going to grab it, it's not going to like register more blocks like this. Blocks are like going to 7 blocks. Yes, now I have 5. From 3 to 5. Oh. Like this. Now what should I get? Now I'm going to get, I think iron sword might be good. And what else? I think one this will help a lot. I think so much. And I think I should just put this, and no, bro. Put this on 1, this on 2, and this on 3. Just put this. Now finish left, and I hope we will get the dub. Oh no, bro, I'm alone. That sucks. This is also alone, so that doesn't suck. Imagine I'm dying right now, like right now. I hope I do this. So where should we go? Bro, why am I making this sword? Where is it? Oh, thank God. I thought it was in the wall. Where are you? Bro, where are you? Seriously, where are you? I need to win. Bro, where the hell is? Damn it, where are you? Where are you, bro? Go. shield. Come on, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna destroy. No, I'm going to get destroyed. But let him come. And yep, and just. Let him enjoy. Hopefully I don't get kicked in the back. You know what? You know what? No, bro, he was 1 HP. No, he was 1 HP. GG's. On to the second match. White is on and we have to rush him. Yeah. So what's his name? Oh, thank you. This oh, defense. Oh yeah. Yep, right. Let's go, go. Oh, I have to cook. Okay. Yeah. So sad. Okay, so we no. Let's go. Get me 40 going 40. That's the only thing I need. Imagine Aqua like Green trying to Aqua trying to destroy my thing. Nah, you can't. I don't know. Please do not. I need one thing, this, and where's the stick? I need that stick. Yes sir. Okay, so Aqua needs doll, so make sure Aqua I did it. I feel sorry for him, like I just fireball him in front of him. Bro, you trying to fireball me? Hell no. Bro, you are so how bro? Yes. Shoot. Eat the golden apple. Eat the golden apple. Eat it, I don't care. Let's go. I thought like chart you're cooked. Only one tiny little thing. Sure. I literally did nothing. I didn't even break a damn bridge. Imagine making my teammate right off. They're gonna raise on me. Oh, why isn't the block placement? Where's Aqua? If I can see anything. I guess we should get one man. Thank you. Your sharpness now. Aqua is cooked. Aqua. I survived that shot, bro. No shot. Bro, no. I wasn't able to hit him. No, bro, I suck. Right, I need just give me 1, 5, just 4, 3, just give me 3. For God's sake, let's go. Give me this and give me. You know what? That's I'm all asking. One more, just one more. Hello, bro. And now, where is my buddy Sin? Yep. I can't change. Don't tell me you're not trying to change people. Get this thing now. You like? If I cannot see that, just bring that back to like 7. Oh, Sam, yo, my buddy Sam. And GG's. Yo, peace. So, what should we do? Yeah, now I'm going to do one CPS test and let's see how well does this click. So I'm doing this. Guys, let's see. Guys, now we have to check ambition. Yep, let's see. So I'm going to do right click first. I absolutely suck at right clicking. So this is so good for me. I don't know how to right click. Let's try to right click mouse. Okay. Bro, this right click so well. Oh no, bro. You know what, let's try 1 second. $21, bro. Like in game 1, that will just give me like 20-30 CPS. But you know what, let's try to do 30. 26. 21. Bro, I need to get like 16 at first. You know, 17 might be good. Okay. But that's not happening. 7. Good, I'm just going to reattach it first. Here I can check it 20. No, it was supposed to. Second, so hard for me, I can't do once again. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'm going to see you next time. Peace.